Hello, I am SJ from What the Trigger Math, and we are looking at mathwhiteboard.com. So we're going to take a look at the highlight equivalence beta feature on the whiteboard now. So we're going to come under this More button here on the right hand side, and we're going to click Highlight Equivalence on there. Make sure that's ticked on. So More and Highlight Equivalence, and make sure that's ticked on. Now we're in the math write function because I want to show you how this looks. So if I start writing some really basic sums here, so if I put 3 plus 1 and get it to work out the answer using the arrow symbol, it's picking up that it's 4. If I write 5 minus 1, should also pick up that it's 4, and it's giving it the same colour. Yet down here, if I write 3 plus 2 and get it to work it out, it's going to give me a different colour. So it's showing me that these two are equivalent to each other. So it's that highlight equivalence. So as we're going through those long stage processes, we can check that we're on the right tracks as we go through. Particularly useful, I found, for simplifying fractions. So let's have a look. So here on the whiteboard then, if I write a half as a fraction, then if I write 3/4 as a fraction, it's going to give it a different colour. But then if I come back in here and I write 10/20 as a fraction, it's giving me the same colour as the half because it knows that those are equivalent. So as we're simplifying fractions, we can check that whether we're on the right lines. And then if I write 5/6, the student can sort of look and go, well, hang on a minute, I've gone wrong here. I was meant to be simplifying 10/20. Why is it not giving me the same colour? What have I done wrong? So then if we go 5/10, the student can then see that they're on the right track and they've got the right colour coming through. So a really useful feature for students to check as they're progressing through problems that they're working out solutions and that the answers are equivalent. All available for free on a web-based service on mathwhiteboard.com.